welcome back to the channel. My name is Eddie and this is the Tin Factory. Today I want to talk to you guys about 5 things that we feel that you need to know before you get into the vinyl wrap industry. So stay tuned, and if you like what you see today, like always, like, comment, subscribe, do all that good YouTube stuff. Let's get to it. Alright, first thing that you need to know about the vinyl wrap industry that I feel like everyone needs to know is materials. There is many materials all the way across the board. There's Chinese brands, there's bad brands. You need to know what it is that you are installing. A very general rule that I told my students is if you can't find it on the major 2 websites, it's probably for a reason and you should probably try to stay away from it. Anything that someone is selling directly through their Instagram or directly through their YouTube channel and they're promoting it, I would stay away from it. Best thing is go through the 2 main websites. If you guys don't know the website, send me a message. I'm always willing to give away some free help and prevent you from buying some bad wrap. Alright, our second thing that I feel like you need to know is know if your car got resprayed. Certain cars come in resprayed and we start wrapping them, and you know, wrap is natural to have to remove it. Sometimes, not all the time, if the car's resprayed, you pull out the paint, you pull out the clear coat, clear or paint goes onto the wrap and it'll tear up your whole wrap completely. You would have to start over. So always ask your client. That's if you're doing this as a business. Ask your client, is this car resprayed? And if they don't know, just let them know what the factors are, what could happen if your car is a respray and you are wrapping it. It's always something that you always have to tell your client. I always say, it's better for you to over communicate to your client and not have them be surprised when something catastrophic like that does happen. I'm trying. Number three is know your market. One of the main things is you need to know what you're selling. Know what other people are charging. What I did when I first started is I would call different shops, try to get price quotes, you know, figure out what other people are charging in your area, because you don't want to go too high because then nobody comes to you. And if you go too low, same thing, no one comes to you. Why? Because think of it, if this guy is charging $3,500, this guy's charging $5,000, this guy's charging $4,000, but then this guy's charging $1,500. Guess what? I'm gonna stay away from the guy that's doing the $1,500. Why? Because that shows me he might not be as good, and I might be wrong. He might be good, but he might not be. In my mind, it might not be as good just because he's so cheap. So to me, in my eyes, I'm thinking that guy's too new. So number 3, know your market.
This guy, he decides to wear the same hoodie as me, right? I woke up first though.
I woke up at 4. Every day, just woke up. I've been at it since 30 today.
What's early to you?
Don't play with me, bro.
What's early?
Number 4. Number 4. I'm gonna transfer this one over there to Jesus. Jesus, let him know. What's number 4?
So 4, right here, my guy right here, Toto, is prepping the piece of the front bumper. So you gotta make sure that every time you wrap, your surface is smooth, like a baby's bottom. So you also could feel with your hand if it's a little roughy, then either you're gonna have to sand it down a little bit down, or if it ain't really nothing, go ahead and use one of these clay bars. Yeah.
Number 5. My guys already told you what number 4 was. It's prepping. Prepping is very important. I always tell my students 90% prep, 10% install, and that's very true. If you don't prep your surface correctly, guess what? When you put your wrap, you're gonna have a bunch of dirt, water under it, and it's gonna look terrible. Next is getting the right training. If you're not financially ready for training, go on YouTube. This is what we did. This is what I did years ago. You just perfect your craft. But if you do have the finances for it and this is something that you really want to stick to, come take our course. We do train how to wrap, we do train how to tint, we do train how to do everything that we do here in-house. So if you want to learn to do everything that we do here, you want to get your hands onto this actual training, send us a message. We're all hands-on training. Window tints training is one-on-one. Our vinyl wrap training is 4-to-1, 4-to-2 actually. 2 trainers, 4 installers. So we usually keep our classes very small. Let's get you trained. The time is now. Don't wait tomorrow. Don't wait next week. Do it now. If you start now, you'll catch the whole influx of summer and start making some money. If you like what you saw today, like, comment, subscribe. We have to get back to work. My guys are waiting on me. It was a good video. Hopefully you liked it. If you got some knowledge out of it, like it. If we're missing anything that you want to know, send us a message. We'll create another video down the line of other stuff that we can help you guys in with tips, whether it's window tinting or vinyl wrapping or whatever it is. Let us know. What do you guys want to see?